Hello everyone, my name is Denis and today we're gonna talk about Nautilus with ticker NLS, and they are manufacturing some sports stuff and sell it. And now they have some kind of a hype because everybody stayed home and they're buying lots of these things. Here you can see excellent operating results, and you will understand what's the joke. You have to remember excellent operating results. $114 million in net sales, gross profit $47 million, profitable adjusted EBITDA $25 million, best year-over-year growth in history. First priority, health and safety of our employees and partners, delivery for customers, full advantage of the current at-home fitness trend. And here you can see a certain percent of elevated demand temporary, a certain percent of elevated demand permanent. And they launched lots of new product, you can see it here. I don't think that I have to comment something. Treadmills, bikes, some soft. And here how results look like. You can see diluted net income per share minus 17 cents per share. I think it is definitely strange. Here you can see total assets $204 million, total liabilities $159 million, and total shareholders equity. It was a super good quarter and they ended it with losses. What is the price for this stock have to be right now? We don't know the share amount, I think, but we can measure it in $1 million in market cap. I think with some hype and plus liabilities and shareholders equity, I think it have to be around 250 or plus minus $50 million. And now we can open Finviz and we can see market cap around $500 million with a strange result. And you can see gross margin only 37%, they are not profitable. Plus we can see a short float for 17.5%. Here how this stock looks on the GuruFocus by quarters, and if we will make it annually we can see that 2019 was not really nice year, and I think this stock not actually interesting for me. And you can see here GuruFocus value around $12, significantly overvalued. And if something will go wrong with the stock, we can see lower lows like $7, $8. And here you can understand why the stock is so high right now, because they made some share buyback and they was in a negative zone for some time. And now we can see a chart. I think very nice line somewhere here. It will be really hard to pass $20. And we can see here really big volumes, around 8 million shares in one day. Some big guys sold their positions here, and this movement not actually interesting because trade volumes go down. I'm expecting that this stock will go down, maybe from now, or maybe they will go up a little bit and then go down. And if you subscribe for my channel, I have lots of prediction, and one of them was ZYXY. And you can see here it is November 20, and here how it ends. I'm not actually touching anything. It was super close and here you can see when I make this prediction. It was on a highs here. I think we will see something like this in this stock, and I will buy this option 1st January 2021 for $19 per lot, and I'm expecting to make like plus 200% or 300% in these options. Don't forget to do your own research, because you don't have to buy any stocks on any YouTuber's advice. I think it is a bad practice. I hope this video was interesting. Don't forget to push like button and subscribe button, and I really like to read your comments. Please write down what do you think about this trade idea. Thank you for watching, bye bye.